Now that we have a Taxicab circle tool, I'd like to show how I can use this idea to solve the problem that we had in the discussion the other day, which was to find a picture of a Taxicab ellipse that had the property that all points had the sum of their distances to the two foci equal to 10, and the two foci were given as negative 4, 0, and 4, 0. And so I've used the sketch that I had before, and I currently have a Taxicab circle at 4, 0 for its center, whose radius is given by the slider. Currently 2.5, 2.6, let's change it down to 2. What I would like to do is find points on the ellipse using this idea of everybody on this circle is a distance 2 away from the point 4, 0. And so that means I'm looking for points that are 8 units away from the point negative 4, 0, because 8 and 2 make 10. And then if that circle, the circle of radius 8 around this point, and the circle of radius 2 around this point have any points in common, those points will have the sum of their distances to be 10, and so they'll be on the ellipse. So I need to make the radius that for the circle around negative 4. So what I'm going to do is in the input bar, I'm going to write 10 minus r. So r is currently 2, but 10 minus r, whatever the value of r, it will change, and it will make the difference from 10, that is 2. So I'm now going to create, using my Taxicab circle tool, here radius will be A, and hit OK. So notice I now have another circle. This circle is radius 8 around negative 4, and there are points in common. Here's a point and here's a point. So I am going to find those 2 points. So I'm going to use the intersect tool, and I'm going to click on the big circle and the little circle, and I find a point of intersection. There it is. So watch as I vary the radius. All of these points have the property that their distance to the sum of their distances to these two foci have a sum of 10. Let's look at this point in particular. The distance from 4 is 1, 2. It's a circle of radius 2. The distance from negative 4 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's a circle of radius 8. 8 and 2 make 10. That point has a sum of distances to these 2 points to be 10. It's a point on the ellipse. How can I see some more? I can take that point that I just created, which is called D. I can turn its trace on, and then I can vary the radius. So we found some of the points on the ellipse. I bet you can find others. Good luck.